Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 7-inch touchscreen Android 9 Pie system special for Mercedes-Benz W211 22 to 29 years. Okay. This head unit can be support fiber optic system because it will come with this extended 6 cable. You can check. This cable can be worked with factory fiber optic sound system amplifier. You can check this 6 meter. Okay, let me check the connector. This will come with head unit. Usually you need to buy this extra. You can find it on our website. Okay. And here is long cable, 6 meter. You can check this fiber optic. Okay, and this cable, this connector. And this connector. If your system can have fiber optic sound system by head unit, it doesn't no sound because you need to buy this extended 6 meter cable for work it. Okay, this long cable. Okay, this is head unit. Let me introduce. You can check this DVD slot, this IR, and those buttons. If you get the head unit, please take out the two screw before installing. Take out, it's just fixed DVD shippings. Okay, let me check the back. You can check side and the other side. Okay, you can check back. This Wi-Fi antenna, this GPS. It's common with GPS antenna. Okay. And this connector, this radio antenna. This 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 USB. Come with head unit. You can check this fuse. This fuse and this connector. Okay. You can connect this connector for test head unit. Connect this hole. You can check. It connects GND wire, this GND wire, and this yellow wire 12 voltage, and the red wire and button lights wire with together. These 3 wires need to connect together. This ACC. Okay. This yellow wire and this button light. Okay. Let me start the head unit with 12 voltage. Okay, you can check with Pi 9 system. And if your car have this fiber optic system, you have to buy this long cable, 6-meter cable from us to make fiber optic work. Okay, it's extra, doesn't come with head unit, because some cars do not need it. Okay, you can check it, show Belsee logo. Okay, you can check this as UI interface. And let me introduce, you can choose time, you can choose logo, you can choose Mercedes. Okay, change the, you also can change this button color with blue, gray, and any color you can do adjustment. Okay. You also can check it in the car settings, car, and element you can choose the red, gray, blue, and any color you can adjust it on this panel. You can change gray. Okay, let me change the red. Okay. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. Let me check the settings. System about motion, you can check PX5 is rack chip RK3368. Android version is 9, Pi system. Okay, let me back the home. Firstly, let me introduce the internet. You can check, you can open the YouTube. There is no sound because I do not connect speaker and do not install in the car, just for testing. Okay, let me check. So we will play YouTube. Okay, let me back. Let me put our website belsee.com, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. Okay, this is our website. Okay, let me check the Bluetooth. You can check the settings. It's pin number, device name, pin number 40. And this is my Galaxy S8. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone and search the device. You can search the Galaxy S8 Plus, just pair it. Okay, you can get the command. Please put 40 and click OK. You can check paired device. It's device paired. Okay, you can make a phone call. Okay. It hangs for free. Okay, hang up. And you can download this context listing from your phone. And let me check the A2DP. It's streaming music from your phone. Okay, you can check. There are no sound because I do not connect the small speaker. Just for testing. Okay. This Bluetooth. Let me introduce the music from USB. This USB driver. Let me connect back head units. Okay, it will start music automatically. You can check it will play automatically. USB 1. It will show the picture. It's an amplifier. It's EQ. Okay. Let me back the home. And it played video from USB. Can choose this 4K Samsung 4K demo video. This volume button. You can volume control. Okay. And it's built in Google Maps. You can check Google Maps and Google Play Store. You can download the application from it. You can adjust brightness. Okay. And it supports dual screen. For this system, doesn't show it. Okay. That's all. If you have any more questions, please contact us. Okay, thank you.